Daf Yomi Tractate, Bava Batra, page 161. A. Top of the page, with the words Machak Puzzle. The Afal Pi Shemikuyam. But a document with a reference to words written over an erasure is not valid even if it is verified at the end of the document. At the end of a document, before the formula, everything is confirmed and established is written. Any corrections made in the document are verified by adding to the text. On line so-and-so, such and such a word has been added, or some similar formulation. This may be done only for inserted corrections, not for erasures. V'lo amru machak pasel, ela b'makob sharir v'kayam u'chashiur sharir v'kayam. The Gemara clarifies this statement, and they said that an erasure on a document renders the document not valid only if it is in a place on the document where the declaration everything is confirmed and established should have been written, and only if the erasure is the measure of space in which the declaration everything is confirmed and established can be written. The only concern with erasures is that the crucial formula, everything is confirmed and established, might have been erased, as this would allow for unlimited forgery. If the erasure is such that this formula could not possibly have been erased, the document is valid. Amar Achore Ksav Uchneged Ksav Yichutz Leichosh Tuma Kasav Rigav Nehemai Debai Machtim Sahadi Yetire Me'abar'e V'yamar Anal Lerabos Be'edim U'De'avdim. Rami Bar Chama asked Rav Chisda, and according to Rav Yirmiyah Bar Abba, who says that the witnesses sign on the back of the written side, taking care of the signatures, are exactly opposite the writing. On the outside, let there be a concern that perhaps the party holding the document will write whatever he wants on the inside, meaning the front of the document adding to the text, and then have extra witnesses sign on the outside. And he will say to anyone questioning the number of witnesses being more than the minimum, I did this in order to increase the number of witnesses, the more to publicize the matters written in the document. Amar Lev Yisaradim K'Sidron Chasimi Edim Mimata Lemala Chasimi. Rav Chisda said to him, did you maintain that the witnesses sign in order, that is, one under the other, starting from the top of the page on the back? This is not correct. Rather, the witnesses sign from bottom to top. The witnesses signed in a perpendicular direction relative to the text of the document. The first signature begins at the reverse side of the last line of the document, and it continues upward the first line. There is therefore no possibility of adding to the text of the document, as if the text extended beyond the beginning of the signatures, it would be recognized as a forgery. The Leichush Misram Yamreus Vishita Chroina. The guys on the Shita Chroina, the guys Leil Ruvin Vade, with kasher ben Yaakov ein. It's not ben ish ploni ad kasher. Rabbi Rachman continues to question the method of signature prescribed by reviewing Bava. But let there be a concern that perhaps something detrimental to the holder of the document happens to appear in the final line in the document, and he excises the final line. And in doing so, excises the first name of the witness. On the opposite side as well, for instance, if the witness's name is Reuven, son of Yaakov, he will excise Reuven along with the final line of the document. Reuven, the son of Yaakov, he will excise Reuven along with the line of the document, and the document will be rendered valid with the remaining of the signature, son of Yaakov, witness. As we learned in the Mishnah Gittin, 87b, if one signs so-and-so, son of so-and-so witness, without mentioning his own name, the document is valid. T'chsiv Reuven ben Beha v'chad Rav Yaakov ad Ilavei. The Gemara answers in a case where it is written Reuven son of on one line, opposite the final line of the document. Okay. And Yaakov, witness, above it, meaning beginning from the penultimate line of the document and continuing upward in a perpendicular manner. This is a tied document. It is valid only if the witness is signed in this manner. In this case, the final line of the document is excised, and that will remain. The signature will be Yaakov, witness. Rabbi Bar Chama continues to ask, I mean, the line before that was the Chsiv Reuven ben Chad Yaakov ad Ilvei. Okay. Rabbi Chama asks, "V'lichul shtilma gayas le Reuven ben miskashem Yaakov ad aid." It's not ish ploni aid kasher. Rabbi Chama continues, but let there be a concern that perhaps he will excise the final line of document, along with the words Reuven son of, and the document will be rendered valid with the remaining part of the signature, Yaakov, witness. As we learned in the Mishnah Gittin 87b, if someone signs just so-and-so witness, the document is valid. Deloxiv aid, the Gemara answers, it is a case where the word witness is not written after the witness's names. That is, a tied document is valid only if the word witness does not appear after the signatures. It is only in such a case that the document cannot be materially changed by excising the final line without rendering the witnesses' names disqualified. Ibais Ema, Loilam Nixiv Ad, or Nixiv Aid, Yadina Be Daha Hasimus Yadeh. And if you wish, say instead that actually the witness did come write witness after a signature, and the case is one where we know for a fact that this signature, which consists of the words Yaakov, witness, is not Yaakov's signature. Okay, that's the end of the Amud, and to be continued next Amud.